Hey YouTube, it's your boy Bruce Miles. Today, which is tonight, we're back for another video. Tonight, we're gonna be showing y'all how to download Call of Duty Black Ops Cold War campaign, which is part 1 and 2, since you already got it. Downloading the part 2 one. So here's my PS4, since I'm gonna get a PS5, so that's the game I'm playing on now. Since add-ons like ticking me off right now. I don't know why Activision it does that crap. So here we go. That's the campaign 2. That's part 2. It's downloading now, but don't worry though, my internet is kind of slow though. So yeah, but it'll take a while since I live in a rural area. So yeah, in order to do that, get your controller. Go to your game right here. Once you're in the game, try pressing the right button, the R3 button. It'll like take you to, it'll take you to that point right here. Hang on, focus, where it says install. Once you did that, all you gotta do just go to campaign. It says, and it's gonna say, do you wanna install or install? I'm gonna say, if you see install, hit that. It'll take a while since my internet is kind of crappy and slow. So yeah. And boom. That's where you need to go. So yeah. If you see Call of Duty Black Ops Cold War Part 3, Part 2, and Part 1, if you see download, just hit that, and then boom. That's how we roll. Yeah, PS3 I was kind of ticked off. About Activision. Doing some kind of tricks by adding add-ons to the game. I don't know why they did I don't know why they did part 2, part 1, part 2, and part 3 PS. It's getting kind of ticked off since I got the game for Christmas for my friends though. So yeah, once you download that, and boom, there you have it, all fixed. So yeah, just like I said, it'll like take a while since the internet I got is very crappy and rural. So yeah, it'll like take a while. Since I got campaign 1 downloaded, but all we got left is downloading is campaign 2 and campaign 3. So yeah, I think that's all for for just like this campaign. I don't know why Activision decided to do add-ons to a campaign. I don't understand it. Activision, if you're watching this, screw you. Yeah, and all thanks to that, I had to wait for like a couple days until it's all downloading and stuff. So yeah, and I'm gonna keep updated once campaign is on the download. Like I said, it'll like take a while. Hey guys, I'm back, and voila, there you go. That's all. That's all you need to do. Like I said, I ain't gonna make this video too long or something like that. So yeah, since it's been a while since I posted. Since I posted my own channel, Bruce Miles. Well, let's see. I'm still using this old channel on how to fix stuff. So yeah, and that's what you need to do. Download your download your stuff. And just like I said, and for me, mine's is gonna take it's gonna take like all night and probably like a couple of days. So yeah, and here's my PS4. Since I'm getting I'm getting the PS5. For like let's see, in a couple of months. Since tomorrow is 2021, January 1st, New Year's. So yeah, I can't wait to get the PS5 since I saved up enough money and stuff. So yeah. And plus, that's the game right here that I got on now. Call of Duty Black Ops Cold War. And boom. That's all you gotta do since Activision kind of oh yeah, ruin it for me, ruin it. Oh yeah, ruin the game and all the stuff, and boom, that's how you download. Oh yeah, part one, part two, and part three of the campaign. So yeah, WayTube. If you're new to the channel, please give a like, share, and subscribe, and also hit the notification bell if the chance. So yeah, WayTube. That video is gonna go up now. So you know, I got another video to do. I got another video to film and stuff. So yeah, and it's been a bro J. Hope it works. Oh yeah, for y'all, and peace out.